Google just turned Gemini into something nobody saw coming. It is not a chatbot anymore. It is reading your emails, filling your spreadsheets, clicking through websites on its own, and connecting every Google tool you already use into one automated system that runs in the background while you work. And at the very end of this video, I am going to show you the one integration most people have no idea exists yet, the one that actually turns this into real client deliverables. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I teach solo operators how to build service businesses using free AI tools instead of expensive software stacks. What you are about to see is how Google rebuilt Gemini from the ground up to compete with the paid automation platforms charging you before you have made a single dollar. If you got value from what I just said, drop a like and share this with someone who needs it. And listen, if you want the exact framework I use to turn free tools like this into paying clients, my 333 method course is linked in the description. Normally $195, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it is showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. Here's the thing. Most automation tools exist because someone is getting paid to recommend them. Zapier charges $29 to $99 a month for workflows you have not built yet. Make.com is another $40 to $75. Then you add the CRM, the social scheduler, the analytics dashboard. You are paying $300 a month before your first client ever says yes. That is the subscription tax. And it is funny, the tools that get pushed the hardest in this space always seem to have the biggest commissions behind them. Just something to think about. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $300 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like Gemini matter. Google just handed solo operators the infrastructure most platforms lock behind a paywall, for free. What I am about to show you is what I call the infinite stack framework. It is how you connect Gemini across Chrome, Gmail, Sheets, and third-party tools to automate the same workflows paid platforms charge for, except you are building it modularly with zero monthly overhead. Let me walk you through how this actually works. Gemini now runs inside a side panel in Chrome, not a separate tab, not a pop-up, a panel that sits next to whatever page you are on and reads it alongside you. You can highlight text, pull key points, compare prices across multiple tabs, edit images without leaving the browser. Let me give you a real example. Say you are running social media content for a local gym. They send you a screenshot of a client testimonial. You drop it into the Gemini side panel, tell it to turn that into a square Instagram graphic with their branding, and it generates the output through Nano Banana, Google's image tool, without you opening Canva. That is a 20-minute design task compressed into 90 seconds. Then there is Auto Browse. This is preview access right now, only available in the US for Google AI Pro or Ultra subscribers. But here's what it does. You give Gemini a task that requires clicking through multiple pages. It opens the browser, navigates the site, and completes the workflow autonomously. Example, you are testing a sign-up flow for a client. You tell Gemini to walk through their lead magnet page, fill out the form, check the confirmation email, and document where users are getting stuck. It clicks through every step, takes screenshots, and hands you a report. Most user experience tools charge you monthly just to track that data. Gemini does it as a one-time task. Here is where this gets real for someone offering lead generation or email marketing services. Gemini just rolled out something called personal intelligence. You can connect Gmail, Google Photos, YouTube, your search history. Everything is off by default. You opt in, you can disconnect whenever you want. Once connected, Gemini reads context across those tools. So if you are running lead reactivation campaigns for local businesses, you connect your Gmail, tell Gemini to analyze the last 60 days of client emails, and ask it to pull the 5 most common questions people are asking. It scans every thread, categorizes the patterns, and generates a content plan. That analysis used to take a full morning of manual inbox digging. With this stack, it takes 3 minutes, and the tool costs nothing to run. That is a $350 strategy deliverable built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. Now here is where things get wild. Google integrated Gemini with third-party enterprise tools, Notion, Asana, Linear, Crossbeam. If your client uses any of those, you can connect Gemini to their workspace through something called Model Context Protocol. It reads their private company data, their task boards, their project timelines, their internal docs, and generates outputs based on what is actually happening inside their business. Example, your client has an Asana board full of tasks for the quarter. You connect Gemini, tell it to convert those tasks into a weekly action plan with priorities ranked by urgency. It pulls the board, organizes the structure, and outputs a plan they can hand to their team. Most project management platforms bundle AI features like this inside premium tiers. You just gave them the same capability without upgrading their subscription. And then there is Google Sheets. Gemini added a feature called Fill with Gemini. You highlight empty cells, tell it what you want, and it populates the sheet. Text generation, column summarization, categorization, sentiment analysis, no formulas required. It just expanded to 11 new languages last month: Mandarin, Dutch, Polish, Turkish. So if you are running email campaigns for a client and you want to categorize 500 sign-up responses by industry, you drop the data into Sheets, select the column, tell Gemini to tag each one, and it handles the entire sheet in under a minute. That same workflow inside a CRM platform with AI tagging costs you $70 a month. Your version runs for free. Now, most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one setup step you have to nail first, or the whole system looks amateur when it is under real load. I am walking you through that right now. Think about the services this actually unlocks. Lead generation, you can use auto browse to test landing pages, identify drop-off points, and hand clients a conversion audit. Social media content creation, you are turning testimonials, product shots, and behind-the-scenes footage into polished graphics without opening a design tool. Email marketing, you are analyzing inbox data to build campaigns that actually match what people are asking for. Custom knowledge bases, you are connecting Gemini to a client's internal tools and building AI assistants that answer questions based on their real company data. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. And if you want the step-by-step framework for turning free tools like this into client retainers, my 333 method course is linked in the description. Normally $195, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing is only available if you are coming from this video, so grab it while it is live, drop a comment, and let me know if you are taking me up on that. I want to see who is building with this. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is what that looks like in practice. Picture a freelancer running Google Maps rankings for local service businesses. They have a plumber as a client. The plumber wants to understand why competitors are outranking him. The freelancer connects Gemini to the plumber's Gmail, pulls the last 90 days of customer inquiries, and tells Gemini to analyze which services people are asking about most. Gemini scans the inbox, identifies the top 3 requested services, then uses auto browse to check how competitors are positioning those same services on their websites. It generates a content strategy based on what is actually working in the market and what the plumber's customers are already asking for. That deliverable used to require a paid SEO tool, manual competitor research, and a half day of work. With this stack, it is 90 minutes and zero software cost. The freelancer charges $400. The plumber gets a strategy built on real inbox data, and the entire workflow ran on free infrastructure. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. Most people have no idea Gemini added Deep Think mode. This is not the fast response you get from standard Gemini. This is the version that takes extra time to work through complex problems. You give it a layered task, like building a 90-day community growth plan with content schedules, engagement tactics, and conversion milestones, and it spends minutes processing instead of seconds. It is reasoning through the problem instead of spitting out the first viable answer. That capability is what separates a generic output from something a client actually implements, and it costs you nothing to access if you are already running Ultra. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. You are not paying for Zapier. You are not paying for a CRM with AI tagging. You are not paying for user testing tools or social design platforms. You connected Gemini to the free tools you already use, Chrome, Gmail, Sheets, and built a modular automation system that handles lead generation, content creation, email analysis, and client reporting without a subscription tax. That is the Infinite Stack Framework, and it is live right now. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.